Products are prepared for distribution. Bread is one of the most widely consumed foods in the world.
Every day, millions of loaves are produced in modern factories.
These facilities rely on automation to ensure speed and consistency.
In this video, we explore how bread is mass-produced.
From raw ingredients to final packaging, consistent heat ensures even baking throughout each loaf. The process begins with basic ingredients like flour and water. Yeast is added to help the dough rise properly. Salt controls fermentation and enhances flavor. Some recipes contain sugar or oil.
All raw materials are stored in large industrial silos.
An automated system measures precise quantities. An automated system measures precise quantities. Preciseness ensures consistent quality in every batch. The ingredients are transferred to the industrial mixer.
If this factory scale shocked you, drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the video reach more people.
This mixer can process hundreds of kilograms of dough.
The mixer blades rotate at a controlled speed.
This creates a uniform dough texture.
Sensors monitor moisture and consistency.
Mixing time is carefully calculated.
Overmixing can ruin the dough. Too little mixing affects the texture. Automation ensures perfect balance. The dough is now ready to be shaped.
The dough moves on the conveyor belt.
The machine divides the dough into several equal portions. Each portion is weighed automatically. This ensures uniform bread size. The dough pieces are gently shaped. The rolling machine forms a consistent shape. Minimal human contact improves hygiene. The shaped dough moves continuously. Speed and precision are crucial.
Next is the fermentation stage, without human intervention.
Fermentation is a crucial stage in bread production. During this stage, the dough is allowed to rest and rise. The dough enters the temperature-controlled fermentation chamber. These chambers maintain precise humidity and temperature levels. Yeast becomes active and produces carbon dioxide gas. This gas creates air pockets within the dough. Proper fermentation improves texture and flavor. Time is carefully monitored throughout this process. The automated system ensures consistency in every batch.
Once fermentation is complete, the dough is ready for baking.
Baking takes place inside large industrial ovens. These ovens operate at carefully controlled temperatures. A conveyor system moves the dough steadily through the oven.
The heat causes the dough to rise one last time.
This stage helps form the bread's outer crust.
Baking time is precisely calculated for each product. Different types of bread require different oven settings. Sensors continuously monitor the internal temperature. Consistent heat ensures even baking throughout each loaf.
Once baking is complete, the loaves exit the oven.
The aroma fills the production area. Cooling begins immediately after baking. Freshly baked bread must be cooled before packaging.
Cooling prevents condensation inside the packaging.
Loaves of bread move along a long cooling conveyor belt. Air circulates evenly around each loaf.
This stabilizes the internal structure of the bread. Cooling time varies depending on the product.
The automated system ensures consistent cooling conditions.
After cooling, the bread is moved to the cutting and packaging stage.
The high-speed blades slice each loaf with precision.
The slice thickness is carefully controlled. This ensures uniform slices in every package.
After being sliced, the bread is immediately transferred to the packaging machine. The packaging machine efficiently wraps each loaf. The seal protects freshness and hygiene. Labels are applied automatically. Date codes ensure product traceability. Finisher loaves are inspected for quality. Products are prepared for distribution.
And he is in jar, right? Course, eat or get smooth.
Thousands of loaves are packaged every hour.
This is how bread is mass-produced in modern factories.